Let's make sure people understand this is sponsored by Integrated Engineering.
Yeah.
Good. Well, they know that now.
Oh, are we recording?
Yeah.
You might be sitting at home wondering about intakes for your RS6. Or maybe you just like RS6s and you wonder about intakes for an RS6. Today, we have an intake for an RS6 in this box right here. And we have an RS6 right there. So we're gonna do an unboxing video with our friend Ethan. He's the owner of the RS6 and we're gonna let him open up this box. By the way, today's video is sponsored by Integrated Engineering because that's who we're partnering with to do the build on Ethan's car.
Okay.
So I'll be like that weird friend on your birthday who's like always hovering, wishing he had the same stuff.
This is awesome.
Wait, can I open it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Look at that blade work.
Wow, precision.
Here, take that. You do the fun stuff.
All right.
Take that stuff off of there.
Christmas in July.
Oh, some swag attached.
Wow. Dude, I love the color here.
That is for you.
Very apropos.
I don't know what this is.
Wow.
I think this might be a swag pack. That is
Okay.
also for you.
Love it. I will definitely wrap this.
That one's for me.
Wow. Let's see this inglorious piece of manufacturing here. Here.
Silicone parts.
Really nice packaging.
Clampy
Got all the
parts.
stuff in there.
Sir, yes, sir. Oh boy,
Oh, dude.
man.
Can you see that?
I'm gonna see it now.
That looks pretty
You
awesome.
gotta get a shot of that. Wow.
Oh wow, all one piece. Holy cow.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah.
We'll
Wow.
take some beauty shots of that in just a moment, but man, I thought it was gonna be a bunch of other bits in there. I guess I hadn't really taken a look at what the stock intake looks like.
Pop it out.
Or is this technically an intake or an inlet? What is this?
Uh,
Oh, there's a filter
Yeah, there's
built in
a
there.
filter.
That's pretty cool.
The
Yeah,
whole thing.
They loaded the filter in there already. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This
Very
is,
good.
Yeah.
What do you think, man?
I'm stoked. This is amazing. I've yet to see one of these in person. And
I think you're the first person to see one in person.
It's like we just found Sasquatch.
I know, right? This is a rare sighting to say the least.
That's awesome.
I'm super pumped to get this on the RS6 as we build the car out here. But this is, yeah, the
Looks-
attention to detail on the weave
Yeah.
and just the way it, yeah. Wow, this is
I like it.
top notch. Yeah.
Cool. We'll let Adam get some beauty shots and then we can get it installed. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing. It's been pretty exciting. This is a really beautiful piece of intake carbon fiber work. Stay with us for the entire build on Ethan's car. Like and subscribe and stay tuned. The next video in the series is an installation how-to for this intake right here.